Hello, engineers and innovators. Welcome to iGETIT by Tata Technologies VoiceBox podcast series. We are Tata Technologies, the go-to strategic engineering partner for businesses who aspire to be better. Our commitment lies in forging a brighter future through collaboration with businesses in manufacturing and the digital world. And we stand by our vision of engineering a better world, focusing on safety, environmental responsibility, and enhanced quality of life for all stakeholders. But in today's ever-evolving landscape, authentic leadership demands continued learning and growth. This is where we aspire to be your platform for empowerment. iGETIT provides self-paced engineering courses and custom training programs for individuals, enterprises, and academia to reskill and upskill the engineers of the future, helping them boost employability and deliver better outcomes for businesses. Today, we are thrilled to introduce the iGETIT VoiceBox podcast, a platform where we will delve into the dynamic world of product design engineering and cutting-edge tools with a special focus on the rapidly evolving electric vehicle industry. So join us as we explore the forefront of technology trends and share valuable insights on career growth and skill enhancement. In this episode, I am focused on design engineers, as you stand at the forefront of this revolution and are shaping the very vehicles that will drive us towards a sustainable tomorrow. Now let's understand why you as design engineers are indispensable on this transformative journey. Because you are the innovators, the visionaries that are influencing every aspect of the EV technology. Whether it's the aerodynamic shape of the vehicle, the numerous connected features that define the user experience, the battery management system, the power electronics, the choice of material, inside, outside, and even the cell chemistry. However, this technology is continuously evolving. So apart from having a strong foundation of fundamentals like reading engineering drawings, understanding GD&T, having understanding of manufacturing processes, techniques, use and choice of different materials, plastics, sheet metal, and so on, a thorough knowledge in CAD and PLM tools like CATIA, 3D Experience, NX, Teamcenter, SolidWorks or Creo, along with the understanding of latest manufacturing technologies like additive manufacturing or 3D printing or use of composite material for lightweighting is equally important for your design excellence journey and becoming an EV innovator. That's why upskilling is so important. By upskilling yourself regularly with engineering education, you're not just enriching your skills, you're propelling the entire industry forward. You are the architects of change, leading the world towards a future where sustainability and innovation will coexist, right in the heart of this EV industry. So do join me in the next episode and stay at the forefront of your EV innovator journey. Together, we will shape a brighter, more sustainable world, marching towards engineering a better world. So stay tuned for more such insightful VoiceBox podcasts from iGETIT to sharpen your design engineering skills and career. Thank you so much. This is Manish Kohli from iGETIT VoiceBox podcast. See you next time.